How to reset Facebook watch page. Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to reset the Facebook watch page easily and fast. So all what you wanna do guys is very simple. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager like this. Open the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Facebook. Click on it. Click on this for stop. Click on this storage and then let's wait a few seconds. It will start computing all the data that I have in my Facebook. So after it finished the computing, now you have to click on clear cache and click on clear data. As you can see, all these apps data will be deleted, includes files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. Click delete and now all what you want to do is reopen Facebook. Don't forget to like, subscribe.